Want to play your favorite mobile games on PC? GameLoop is one of the best Android emulators for gaming. In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, set up, and optimize GameLoop so you can enjoy smooth gameplay on your computer. Let's get started. First, we need to download the official GameLoop emulator. Go to the official GameLoop website. Click the download button and wait for the setup file to finish downloading. Now, let's install GameLoop on your PC. Open the downloaded file. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Click Start to launch GameLoop. Before we adjust settings, we first need to install a game. Search for your favorite game. Click Install and wait for the game to download and install. Now that we have a game installed, let's optimize GameLoop for the best performance. Go to Settings, top right corner of GameLoop. Adjust these settings for the best performance rendering mode. OpenGL for stability or DirectX for better performance. Resolution, set to 720p for low-end PCs, 1080p for better graphics. DPI, set to 240 for a smoother experience. Anti-aliasing, turn off for better FPS. Go to Game Settings and adjust. FPS, set to 60 FPS for smooth gameplay. These settings will help prevent lag and ensure smooth gameplay. Now that we've optimized GameLoop, let's launch the game and start playing. Go to My Games and click Play on your installed game. Start playing and enjoy the smooth gameplay. And that's it. Now you're ready to play mobile games on your PC using GameLoop. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming and tech tutorials. Comment below which game you're playing first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.